In this video, I would like to show you how to insert slicer in Excel. So let's begin. So this is just a table, a simple table where it shows you the data for the years, for various categories, for various products, and the sales for those products. Now, before we create a slicer, we need to have a pivot table. So let's create a pivot table first out of this table. So insert pivot table from the table range. That's the range. And I will go to the new worksheet and OK. So this is the pivot table. Now in this pivot table, I will take years to the rows. I will drag product to the columns and the sales. Okay. So as you can see, this is your pivot. Now in this pivot, we can create a slicer. Now we will insert a slicer by a category. Okay, so as you can see, you've already got a category option. Now this particular slicer box, you can actually make it smaller, you can make it bigger. This is as per your choice. So let's click on accessories, being the first product. The moment I click on accessories, the table will automatically turn turn in the manner that it will show you only the data relating to accessories and bikes, clothing, and components. And if you click on this toggle bar, then it will clear all the filters and it will show you entire data. Okay, let's make it a bit different. I'll move product here and years here. Okay, and instead of category, I will move category here and I will remove product out of it. And now I will insert a slicer for product. So as you can see, you now have an option to select so many products here. Now, since you can see that there are so many products and it doesn't fit in your one single view, so what you can also do is there is an option to either drag it or there is also an option to select on slicer. The moment you select on slicer, it'll take you to a slicer bar and it will give you the slicer related settings. So over here where you can see the columns, the column is a 1. You can actually turn it to 2 and enter. So now as you can see, you have multiple selections possible and then you can drag the table. You can also turn it to 3 to make your view even simpler. So now you can select on any particular product. You can also select multiple products by using control and a selection, and you can clear all filter. Like this, you can create multiple filters, slicers here. Insert slicer for the year. So it will give you a filter option by year as well. So over here, if you select 15 and over here you select jersey, it will only give you for 15 for the jersey. And as I said, you can select multiple out of it as well. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.